From the rising of the sun till the setting of the same. Your name. Three of these prophets are watching us online now. Of the sun. Keep that tune in the background now. Setting of the same. All of you, put your hand on your belly. How you are going to notice is that joy will begin to rise. It will feel like you want to burst out laughing. Gently, gently, gently. Setting of the saints. Your name. As you sit down, be praying, be praying, be praying, be praying. Only two have received it. Rising of the sun till the setting of the sun. Hey! Oh my God. Kappa. Singing Adonai, Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Yeshua Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Yeshua Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Yeshua Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Ebenezer Adonai. Elohim Adonai. Yeshua Adonai. Help them, help them, help them. Ebenezer Adonai. On this road too, on this road. Yeshua Adonai. Uleya libosi Ogebe lekaba. Ulesele Hasiya lule mama. Hey! Maranatha, something's on your wife. Yesiya lakamuleka. Ebenezer, 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 Ebenezer. Call! The Bible says earnestly, convert spiritual gift, convert spiritual gift, convert spiritual gift. Bring them outside. Bring them outside. The prophetic doesn't respect age, pedigree, size. You may be the most rejected, and God will say, I want you to be my prophet. They may say this one is not qualified. God will say, I want you to be my prophet. Ebenezer, 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 Ebenezer. You see, the influence is on you already. Ebenezer, 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 I can't even stand anymore. I see a vision where someone is holding the gate of a city. It's a prophetic intercessory ministry, like of the order of Ezekiel. Holy Ghost, come upon them. Come upon, oh my God, come back up, you will lead a great prayer ministry, says the Lord. Help them, please. There's a brother, about 3 of you. You are feeling your hand. Something is as though it's scratching your, something is burning. On your left palm, your hand, Papa Cabo. Come outside and begin to pray. You people are healers, healers, healers. Ebenezer, 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 Ebenezer. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Ebenezer. Hey, Ebenezer. Oh, hey, Ebenezer. Ebenezer, 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 Jesus, Jesus. Please, prophets, come and lay your hands on them. Jesus. Give me bottled water. Prophets must be baptized. Hey, pour it on them. Open it, my brother. Could take cable. Pour it on them. It's a baptism. You have a prophetic grace. Your dream life is restored. Listen, for you people sitting down, the Lord is raising deliverers. Help him, help him, help him, help him, help him. Go outside. Deliverers. Demons will be afraid of your name. I. Okay. Somebody's in South Africa now. In our branch in South Africa. You are watching on YouTube. I see fire on you already. Hey, oh, love ahead. 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 From where you were 3, the hand of the Lord has been upon you. When you turn 22, the Lord will begin to use you in great dimensions by His Spirit. Dimensions of wisdom and leadership. You are going to lead kings and princes. The Lord will yet preserve you. The things lost are restored. Weep not. The woman around you, like, weep not. Kapataka sikoma. Yeah. Udimila numbo sanama. Elukebe lokobo. Iyadike sumama. I don't know where's your wife. Jesus. The lost things are restored. The things taken are restored.